Hey guys, today I'm using Curlsmith for today's wash day and twist out, and I'm going to be using just Mousse for my twist out, so let's see how that goes. So before I do that, I'm going to use this Bond Curl Rehab Salve. It's a new product at Curlsmith, and basically it just bonds your curls together like a protein treatment would, and it just bonds your curls together and makes them stronger or appear stronger and appear clump basically. So this is really helpful for people with damaged hair or who have hair pores that just won't close up and just won't bond together. So that basically is like frizzy hair, frizzy, curly, or kinky hair. That's basically what type of hair I'm talking about. So you would just use this, you just drench your hair with water and then you smooth it onto your hair, on the strands mostly. You don't really focus on the roots, just focus on your strands and ends. So then you just smooth it on and then you leave it on for like 10 minutes or 20 minutes. I think it said 10 or 20 minutes. Then you rinse it out with warm water. So I let this sit, and now you can see in the next clip that my curls have clumped up and dried. So now I'm going to rinse it out with warm water. Alright, before I cleanse, I just wanted to show y'all how it looked after rinsing out the bonding treatment. So my hair is still soft, but the curls, I do see a bonding. Clumping, I see clumping, but my hair is still soft. It's not hard like how other bonding or protein treatments would leave the hair. Alright, so now I'm going to wash my hair. I used this before, so I'm going to use it again. It's their primer and wash scalp or scalp scrub. So this is like their cleansing set. I think you can purchase these separately also. So this is their primer. It's basically a Prepoo, and you just apply it to your hair in sections. You see I'm using a big section. It really spreads really easily, so that's why I'm able to use larger sections like this. So I just smooth it onto my hair. You can detangle if you'd like, but I don't detangle during my Prepoo session. So yeah, so I'm just spreading it on, and you can see it just smooths so easily throughout the hair. Even if my hair is thick, it just smooths very nicely throughout. It smells really good. I used it before, so this is like my second time using it, and I do recommend this as a Prepoo, and I love it, and I love using it. So I'm just going to just smooth it through my hair using my hands, just pulling out shedded hairs really. And now I'm just going to go ahead, resection up my hair and apply the scalp scrub. This is the shampoo portion of this wash set, and I initially thought I would need so much for one section, but then I realized the suds and how I set it up so easily with just that little bit of the scalp scrub. So I just smoothed it all throughout the back of my head. You see there was plenty to go around the back of my head, which is another reason why I love this wash set. So I just smooth it all over my hair and just let it, set up and get all in my hair and cleanse my scalp. I really like it. It has apple cider vinegar in it, so it does give you a little tingle, and you know your hair is being cleansed. So after that, I just went ahead and moved on to the front sections, just putting on like that much and then smoothing it down into my hair and letting it turn into suds by itself. Went ahead and did it on the other side too. And this shampoo, or not shampoo, this scalp scrub also it smells really good. It does have like tiny micro beads in it that are like exfoliating, so that's why it's considered a scrub. So I like it. So I went ahead and rinsed out the shampoo after I massaged my scalp. I rinsed it out with warm water, and now this is how my hair is looking. Alright, so I already rinsed out the shampoo. Now I'm putting on the conditioner. I already put some conditioner on my hair while my hair was over the tub because I don't like to waste that water, the warm water. Yeah, I don't drain out my hair. I just put the conditioner on and then come up and then put it on in sections. So now I'm going to condition. This is their postbiotic conditioner, and this one comes in a pump. It has a menthol feeling on the scalp. It really smooths really well throughout my hair, and I really like it. So that's another thumbs up for Curlsmith. I really like their wash day products. So I'm just smoothing it into the sections. I do not detangle when I'm deep conditioning. I don't detangle at all during wash day. I only detangle when it comes to twisting my hair or braiding it or whatever. That's the only time that I'll use my brush or comb, whatever, to detangle. So yeah, usually I just smooth in my detangler like so, and I use my fingers just to smooth it through and to pull out any shedded hairs that I miss during pre-poo or washing. And then after I do that, I just let it sit for like 10 minutes. And then once I was done that, I rinse this out with warm water. Never cold water, just warm.
Y'all ready for this? Okay, okay, so I had an idea that I would use, they sent their mousse, and I had an idea I would use their mousse for a mousse only twist out. So let's see how this turns out. My scalp is still tingling from the conditioner. Let me make sure I don't have any clumps of conditioner, because you know my hair is known for that. No, but it's still tingling. All right, so let's twist. Okay, so I'm gonna have a bang. Okay, so to make a bang, if you don't have one, you can just part your hair like this. Part your hair like this, start like from all the way back here, and then part it on the other side, like a triangle. So you'll have your bang. Clip that up, and then clip up. This is just how I do my sections. Oh, slippery. Okay, so I clip up one side, and then I clip up the other side. I leave the back out and start in the back first. Let's just take out a row and clip it up. I'm gonna spray down the back. All right, so I'm gonna take this side section. I'm just splitting it in half. Okay, so this is gonna be one twist. All right, we going. Oh, am I crazy? Curls instantly, instant clumpage. Okay, so this is my detangling brush. You can get it on Amazon. Detangle. Let's see. Look at how they're clumping. Girl. Ooh. It's all clumped together. Oh, I like this mousse. Look at it. Alright, so let's twist it up. I'm just doing straight mousse. Straight M-O-U-S-S-E. It's squeaky clean. Is that good or bad? Okay, so that's one little twist. All juicy. So let's make a second row. I usually do 3 rows in the back. Alright, spray it down. Alright, this one will be 3. 1 squirt. Yeah, learn as I go. Maybe 1 more. That was like a half of one. Alright. It's like the ends don't want to detangle, then once they do, they're just so clumped. I got strands like this. Pull them off. I have that squeaky feeling in my hand. Or I hope it hurt. I said I hurt. I hope this works out. Don't y'all? Now I see why some natural hair stylists recommend using mousse for like washing those on their client. But again, I want to see how long it lasts. That's my, I want to see. Girl. Why didn't I think of this sooner? Alright, this section is a little, this is my problem section. And it feels like I'm moving faster through these twists. Anyone else? Anyone else? It really feels like I'm moving faster. Alright, so I think it looks so good. Alright, so this part's gonna be the bang. So all my twists are gonna fall forward. Alright, y'all, so I'm done twisting. They look so good. So good, so good. Alright, so I'm expecting these to dry faster than the others would, like with other products. And yeah, so I'm gonna come back tomorrow and let's see how it looks and how it feels. Hey guys, it's the next morning and my twists are completely dry, 100% dry. And I twisted my hair at like 1 a.m. and it's now 1 p.m. the next day, but these were already dry this morning. Before I take the twist out, I just want to shout out Enough Cosmetics for sending me a lippy just to try on. So I already put on my liner. This is the lippy. And it's like a nude color. It's like a nude mauve. It's like a mauve, a rose mauve. I like it. I like nudes like this. Check their website out. I'll link it down in the description below. So now let's untwist. I'm gonna start from the back. Look at how juicy and bouncy they are. And they're soft. This is definitely a soft twist out and it's gonna be voluminous. Okay, so this is it. It's very voluminous. It has a little definition. It's lightweight.
So my scalp was soft and my hair was too. So now I just put it up in this little style. That's how I usually wear my hair sometimes. And now this is how my hair looked. I want to say the next day. This is how it looked. I wore it in a puff because I didn't want to wear it out and it lost its definition. It was a mousse, so yeah, it's gonna lose its definition. So now I twisted it up that night and then after I took the twist down, this is how it looked. So I had to put it in the puff. So yeah, I would do a twist out with mousse, but it will only last 1 day, so you can use your discretion. Thumbs up this video, check out more videos on my channel, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all on the next one.